Okay, we have a TRAK 3-axis CNC bed mill, model DPM SX2, serial number 081CR15993. Machine was new in 2008. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Southwestern TRAK SMX control, a 9x49 table with 31 inches in the X travel, 16 in the Y, saddle in and out, and 23.5 in Z, up and down. You can hear the axes are quiet. Right now we're running through the control. When you use the hand wheels, the machine becomes, the control becomes a digital readout. That's your Z axis. You can also move the quill by hand, which would change the position of the position of the Z axis on the control. It does the math for you. Machine is an R8 spindle, 3 horsepower. Right now we're running. You have 2 different ranges. Low gear. He's in low gear. Again, it's an R8 spindle. It's variable speed from 40 to 5,000 RPM or 5,000 or 4,000. He's in high gear. It's 2,000 RPM. Okay. And you can show the drawbar. That's an R8. Yep, so you have a torque right, air actuated power drawbar. Machine has dovetail, hardened and ground ways, and ball screws for the 3 axes. Hey, I think you've seen it. Thanks for watching our video.